Hello everybody, I am Doron Linder, the creator of Vim Adventures, and in this video I'll show you what it is. Vim Adventures is an online game that teaches you how to use the Vim text editor. But no worries, the game does not look like an editor, it is far from boring. You play as a cursor appearing one day in Textland, which is covered with, surprise, texts. The texts are quirky, educational, and full of pop culture references, but they were slightly changed by evil bugs. And of course there is a prophecy about you fixing everything and saving Textland. Starting off with H, A, K, and L to move around, you collect commands and motions and soon begin fixing texts. Each text you fix awards you with more commands, motions, items, or hints necessary to advance. You learn to combine commands and motions with counts, registers, buffers, and more. Vim Adventures is your epic journey to free Textland and learn Vim. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed this video.